Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to remove background for your photo without using Canva Pro. So as you see, this is just a trial Canva account. So open your design, choose your preferred size. So go to apps and make search for background remover. Select this app and upload a photo. I will choose this. Now the background it was removed. I will try another photo. Remove background. As you see, the background it was removed. So the easiest method to remove background for your photo in Canva without use Canva Pro version, just using the apps. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe to my channel and see you in next video.